Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you feel good. Today we are going to study new lesson and that is page 47. Page 47 and speaking. Today we have speaking. How do we speak with each other and how to make sentences. Ask and answer about you. For example, for example, get up, have breakfast, get up have breakfast, start school, مكتب تتل المكتب شروع كول, finish school, المكتب خلاص أول, have dinner, ماشام روڑی خورل, go to bed, بديدل. We use these phrases and sentences, okay? Get up. You can say, what time do you get up? What time do you get up? In answer, you say it as wise, I get up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 7 o'clock. Number 2, have breakfast. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7:30. I have breakfast at 7:30. Start school. What time do you start school? I start school at 8 o'clock. I start school at 8 o'clock. The same, you can make sentences using these phrases, okay? Again, I'll repeat my sentence. What time do you get up? What time do you have breakfast? What time do you start school? Okay? Make questions like these, use these phrases. Okay? Very good. You can do that. Okay? Now let's go to the writing part. Writing barha. Proper nouns. Okay. We are talking about proper nouns. خاص اسمنا. خاص اسمنا. كم اسمنا خاص اسمنا. تشي خاص اسمنا. Proper nouns are names دا نمونه دي. د چا نمونه دي؟ Of people. د خلق نمونه. Like Karim, Mubin. These are proper nouns. خاص اسمونه دي. Or places. یا هم د ځایونو نمونه. Kandahar. Okay? Kabul, Afghanistan. These are proper nouns. كم اسمونه دي؟ Proper. خاص. In titles of books or films, یا هم د فیلمونو نمونه, یا هم د کتابونو نمونه. Okay? They are proper nouns. خاص اسمونه دي. Proper nouns start with capital letters. خاص اسمونه په کومو تورو سره شروع کیږي؟ په capital letters سره، په غټ ABC حروف سره شروع کیږي. For example, د مثال په ډول سره noun دی خواته موږ proper noun لرو، اسم او خاص اسم. Okay? Girl دا یو اسم دی خو خاص اسم نه دی. انجلی، کوم انجلی؟ We don't know. موږ نه پوهیږو. If you say Illy, Illy, it's a proper noun. And be careful, as we said earlier, you have to start a capital noun with a proper noun with a capital letter. Okay? Good. Teacher, Ustad. Kam Ustad? We don't know. Mr. Green. Shagari Green. Look. Okay? Country. Hiwan. Kam Hiwan? It's a name. Egypt. Egypt. یو ځای دی او موږ ویل چې د یو ځای چې کله لیکو نوم اول توری باید capital letter انګلیسي غټ حرف وي. City, ښار. کوم ښار؟ We don't know. که چیرې یو خاص ښار وایې London. So this L, it is capital letter. Okay? Very good. Book, kitab. Kam kitab? We don't know. Family and friends. Family and friends. دا کتاب یو خاص کتاب دی نو موږ دې ته وایو proper noun. Film. کوم film? Toy Story. Toy Story. It is a proper noun. Okay? Very good. Now let's go to the other side in its exercise. Read and circle the proper nouns. تاسو واس او proper nouns یعنی خاص اسمونه چې کی دایره پر وګرځوي. Okay. The first one is example. They have done that for us. Illy lives in Australia. Illy في Australia کې ژوند کوي. What are proper nouns here? Proper یا خاص اسمونه کوم اسمونه دلته موږ ویله چې د شخص نوم Illy دا یو څه دی proper noun دی. د یو ځای نوم Australia a proper noun دی. Okay? Let's go to the second example. Mrs. Smith is my new teacher. Mrs. Smith is my new teacher. Where is proper noun here? Which one? Mrs. Smith. Very good. Mrs. Smith is my new teacher here. Good. Number 3. Carlos is from Spain. Carlos is Españadi. Now, what are proper nouns here? Okay? Which one? Carlos. Very good. And Spain. Why? Because Carlos is the name of a person and Spain is the name of a place. Carlos د یو شخص نوم دی. Spain د یو ځای نوم دی. نو موږ ویل چې د شخص د اسم لپاره د ځای د اسم یا د نوم لپاره موږ هغه اسمونه ته څه وایو؟ proper nouns یا خاص اسمونه وایو او په capital letter سره شروع کیږي یا د انګلیسي په غټ حرف سره شروع کیږي لکه دلته Spain غټ حرف Carlos غټ C. Okay? Very good. Sentence number 4. My favorite film is The Incredibles. زما د خوښ فلم کوم فلم دی؟ The Incredibles دی. So, where is name? Where is a proper name? Okay? The Incredibles. The Incredibles. Okay? Very good. Number 5. Cairo is the capital city of Egypt. Cairo the Egypt مرکز دی. Okay. What are proper nouns here? Okay, Cairo and Egypt. Very good. Number 6. Number 6. Helen's favorite film is Finding Nemo. The Helen, the خوشی film, Finding Nemo film دی. What are proper nouns here? Okay. Helen, good. And Finding Nemo. This is a favorite. It's her favorite movie and it is a proper noun. The خوشی film Finding Nemo دی او خاص اسم دی. Proper noun دی. The last sentence. Jen is older than Beth. Jen تر Beth مشر دی. Okay, here. Where are our proper nouns? کوم دي زموږ خاص اسمونه؟ موږ ویل چې د اشخاصو نومونه نو څوک دي؟ Okay. Jen. Okay. Jen and Beth. These are our proper nouns here. Okay? But very good. I'm sure you understood that and you know how to find proper nouns in a sentence, right? Yes. Okay. So that is our today's lesson. Okay? So don't forget your homework. You have to write 2 pages in your notebook and also try not to forget your workbook. Complete the workbook of page 47. دوه څلوېښت صفحې workbook ده کوئ او په کتابچو کې دوه مخه دغه جملې لیکئ. Have a nice time. Goodbye.